Well, hello, and welcome to How I Compose Music. I'm your host, Christopher Paul, and I'm going to jump right into this. I haven't done a video in a couple months, and I lost myself a little on this. I work on multiple projects at a time, so this one kind of got buried. Um, Rather than go through an intense recap of what I already had done, um, I'll just kind of cut to the chase here. Let's see. I had this, and what I did here, before I did anything else, I took stuff like this that didn't look like it was it looked like it was up too far an octave, just moved it down, and I just went along the piece and just rearranged some things like that. And let's see. Take a step back and Reaper. This is the raw data that I was working with. Yep, that's it. Just a gust of wind. And what I did, and you could see it here, but what I did, I went into Neural Note. This is an audio to MIDI converter, sort of. It's going to transpose stuff, audio information into MIDI info. All right, I just changed the note sensitivity to get this. And sounds like this. Without the audio, it sounds like this. Nothing. What I wanted to do here was just pick a couple of notes that had to do directly with the audio file I was working with. Which came from, let me see, came from this. It's a video I took. Just needed something to work with. There's the gust of wind that I used. Whoops. Well, let's see. Well, anyhow, the info that I got out of here was this is B, and then this is F sharp, and that's all the info I needed. So I went up here and I changed. Oh, okay. I'll back up a bit. Wasn't all the info I needed. What I see here is a small, that's a small line and a large line. So I wanted to have, so if I take this to the notation, I wanted something like small and then large. So there's going to be a small section and then a larger section. And to do that, I took a look at the number of bars that I had made, and it's 310. And then I just, I took the first two digits and reversed them to 1-3. So they'd be like 130. Stupid way of doing it. Effective means nothing. I just wanted to divide this up somehow. So that's what I did, and you can see here, 130, I cut it off. So this first section here is smaller than the last, which is what I wanted. And the first section is in the key of B, and the section's in the key of F. And of course, they were both in the kind of atonal before, so I just had to, I moved them to suit. Let me see here. I'll play the way it was. Crappy sound, I apologize. Okay, that's all I needed that. I can even close out of this. But since I moved things around by key, the beginning's going to sound like this now. A little different. Down a half step. And I'm going to change his keys over here. So. Let's see. Play it from there. So now it goes up to the key of F sharp. And as crappy as this sounds here, this is still MIDI. If I switch to Note Performer, it's going to sound a little different. I'll just let that go. Okay. Save that, and I'm going to export the MIDI data. Open this in Reaper. Yep, expand the tracks, yep, keep tempo. Looks like this. There's all my MIDI data. I'm worried about colors. Okay. Let's see, here's the other project. Don't need that anymore. And I'm going to leave it off here before I process the rest. I did take an output though from something else to play here. I'm going to let this play through all the way. Okay, now that sounds like crap through my ghetto setup here, but it still sounds pretty good to me through headphones, considering, so I think that's a keeper. Not bad for starting off with just a little gust of wind from a video I took that was 12 seconds long. So, the rest of this, the rest of this expedition here is to actually produce it a lot better. That was just No Performer from Sibelius. What I tend to do here is I start off in general MIDI and I take it as far as I could go. And then when I really start to use my ears for other things, I switch to No Performer, and that's a bit of an enhanced sound. But in here, I'll be using VST instruments to actually produce this and make it a more presentable work. I'll save that for the next time and leave it off at that. Okay, well, thank you.